Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial I will show you that how you can make a simple title page for your assignment, for your document or for your project. So today I will brief you and I'm going to make a title page on Microsoft 13 2013 and on the tutorials concerned with my e-tutorial. So just follow me. Firstly I will decrease the size of the page and insert my tutorial, increase font size, right? Then I will no fill and no outline. MS Excel. Two 2013. Increase the font on 48 and 48 Jokerman. Okay, then I will change the font color. Red. Now I will insert the DP, the logo of my e-tutorial. Firstly, I do not drag that picture from that place to another place, so that's why firstly I will go into wrap text and behind the text. Now I'm able to drag that picture from one place to another place within that document. So I think it will look good on that place, right? I will decrease some more size. So guys, this is a very basic title page which I made in front of you by using the text box. So inshallah, it's the beginning. So in the next upcoming tutorials, inshallah, we will working on more advanced and more you can say more advanced and more technical and more complex title pages. So this is all for this, and inshallah see you in the next one. Thank you.